The doctor in the machine. Every single day, 45,000 people around the world lose their lives to diseases that could have been treated early. Not because doctors don't work hard and not because hospitals don't care. The real problem is simple. Today, the human body creates an unbelievable amount of information. Blood reports, scans, heartbeats, genetic data, and medical history. Sometimes, there's just too much information for any one human being to analyze quickly. And that's where artificial intelligence or AI is beginning to help. AI is no longer only about chatbots or social media algorithms. Today, AI is helping doctors read x-rays, detect diseases early, discover medicines faster, and even create personalized treatments for patients. So the big question is not, will AI replace doctors? The real question is, how can AI help doctors save more lives? AI in diagnostics, helping doctors see earlier. Let's start with diagnosis. In hospitals, doctors often look at thousands of scans and reports every week. A tiny detail missed in one scan can sometimes change a patient's future. Now imagine a system that can analyze medical images in seconds. In one major study, an AI system developed by Google helped detect signs of breast cancer with extremely high accuracy of 99%, whereas the pathology without AI saw it as 62%. The goal wasn't to replace doctors, but to help them catch diseases earlier and more confidently. Today, AI tools can assist doctors in reading x-rays, spotting early cancer signs, checking eye scans to tell you whether you are at risk for heart diseases, kidney failure, or neurological decline. And unlike humans, machines don't get tired after long working hours, which means doctors now have a powerful assistant beside them. AI can point out patterns, but the final decision, the patient discussion, the treatment plan still depend on human doctors. Drug discovery. Faster medicines, faster hope. Now let's talk about medicines. Creating a new drug is incredibly difficult. It can take more than 10 years and billions of dollars to develop just one successful medicine. And many drugs fail before they even reach patients. But AI is changing this process dramatically. A major breakthrough came when an AI system called AlphaFold helped scientists understand protein structures much faster than before. Why is that important? Because many diseases begin when proteins inside the body stop functioning properly. If scientists understand those proteins better, they can design medicines quickly. Today, several healthcare companies are using AI to identify possible medicines faster, reduce research time, and speed up clinical trials. In some cases, medicines that once took a decade to develop are now moving towards testing in just a few years. For patients waiting for treatment, that speed can mean everything. Personalized medicine, treatment made for you. For many years, medical treatments followed a one treatment for everyone approach. But every human body is different. Two patients may have the same disease, but their bodies may respond very differently to the same medicine. AI is helping doctors move toward personalized healthcare. By studying genetic information, lifestyle habits, medical history, and body patterns, AI systems can help doctors create treatment plans better suited to individual patients. This is especially becoming important in cancer treatment, where every tumor can behave differently. The challenges. Why human judgment still matters. So AI is not perfect. AI learns from existing medical data, and sometimes that data may not represent every community equally. For example, if an AI system is trained mostly using one group of patients, it may not work equally well for everyone else. That is why doctors, scientists, and healthcare experts are being extremely careful about how AI is trained and used. There's another challenge too. Sometimes AI can give an answer but cannot clearly explain how it reached that answer. Patients deserve explanations. Doctors need confidence in the tools they use. That is why AI should support medical professionals, not work alone. The future, humans and machines together. So can AI become a better doctor than a human? Not really. AI can analyze huge amounts of data very quickly. It can help spot patterns humans may miss. It can improve speed and accuracy. But medicine is not only about data. A machine cannot hold a patient's hand during fear. It cannot comfort a family member. It cannot fully understand human emotions, pain, or hope. That human connection still belongs to doctors, nurses, and caregivers. The future of healthcare is not AI versus doctors. It is AI and doctors working together. AI will help doctors become faster, sharper, and more informed. And doctors will continue doing what only humans can truly do, care for people. AI in healthcare is no longer science fiction. It's already entering hospitals, laboratories, and clinics around the world. And in the coming years, it could help millions of people receive faster and better treatment. But like every powerful technology, it must be used wisely, responsibly, and with humanity at the center. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe to the channel, because in the next episode, we'll explore how AI is transforming healthcare in India, from startups and rural medicine to the future of hospitals across the country. See you in the next video. Thank you.